So, exercise 3.3, let us continue with the seventh sum. Seventh sum is tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x. Tan pi by 4 minus x, you have to prove it to be 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. So, let us see, this is pi by 4, it is not y axis or x axis, correct, it is pi by 4 plus x. So, it is like tan a plus b. What is tan a plus b? Is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, tan a tan b. So, what is a here? Pi by 4 and b here is x, can you see? So, tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x, and you know tan pi by 4 itself is 1, correct. So, it will become, okay, you still have the denominator to solve, which is like tan a minus b. Tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b, correct. So, this will be tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan x. This is the next step with the big pi here, can you see. So, this will become 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, because substituting tan pi by 4 as 1 by 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So, this goes up. So, 1 plus tan x the whole square by 1 minus tan x the whole square, which is 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square, that is all. So, this is done, 7th sum is over. 6th sum, cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y. You have to prove that it is equal to sin x plus y. When I say that, can you see cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is like cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, whose answer has to be cos a plus b. What is a in the sum? It is this, and b in the sum is this, because it is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So, cos pi by 4 minus x instead of a, and b bala pi by 4 minus y. A pi by 4 and a pi by 4 is pi by 2. You can take LCM and see a pi by 4 and a pi by 4 will be pi by 2 minus x minus y, which can be written as cos pi by 2 minus of x plus y, because you want the angle to be as one lot. So, you can find the quadrant which is pi by 4 pi by 2 minus. So, it is the first quadrant, all is positive, and it is odd integral, pi by 2 is 90 degrees. So, it is odd integral, the cos will become sin x plus y, and that has been proved. Can you see? Okay. Then is the 5th sum, first subdivision sin 75, which is sin 45 plus 30, write it as two known angles, and sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and you can substitute the values 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So, it is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So, it is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Am I right? Have we done any mistake? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Yeah, perfect. So, you check your book back. If they had rationalized, you may have to rationalize. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. Tan 45, tan 15, which is a known angle, tan 45 minus 30, which is tan a minus b, which is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Hence, it is tan 45, tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. What is tan 45? 1 by, tan 45 is just 1. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 plus 1 plus tan 45 is 1, tan 30 again 1 by root 3. Hence, it will get root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. The answer will be root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. If required, check the book back and rationalize, otherwise leave it like that. Okay, that is about 10. Fourth sum. So, thus you know when they ask you 75, it is 45 plus 60 because these are known angles. 15 degree, it is 45 minus 30. Likewise, you can find some known angles such as 45 plus 30, 75, yeah, I did that. 45 minus 30, 15, 60 plus 30, yeah, which you already know, so you do not have to. 60 minus 45, again 15. So, you can write it like that with known angles, which will help you to solve the sums. Next is the fourth sum. 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3, you have to prove this to equal to 10. The advantage of having a square is irrespective of whichever quadrant it will be positive, because all school taught children, even you may have a negative sign, but when you square that it is going to be positive. So, you do not have to check the quadrant for sums which has got squares in it. So, what is 3 pi by 4? What is sin 3 pi by 4? Is sin pi minus pi by 4, where pi is 180 degree, correct? Or you can write 3 into 180 by 4, this is 45. So, sin 135, which is sin 180 minus 45, you can also do that, which is even integral. So, answer will be sin 45, which quadrant? Second quadrant. So, it is plus sin 45. The question is about sin, which is 1 by root 2. On squaring, that is the value of sin 3 pi by 4, but you have sin square 3 pi by 4. So, it will be 1 by 2. So, 2 into 1 by 2, at 2 into 1 by 2 will become just 1 plus. Now, let us solve the next one. Cos pi by 4, which is cos 45 itself is 1 by root 2. On squaring it will be 1 by 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled, another 1, 1. So, this is just 1, okay, plus 2 into secant pi by secant square pi by 3, 180 by 3, what is it? Pi by 3 is 60 degree. So, what is secant 60 degree? What is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2, secant 60 will be just 2. On squaring the 2, it will become 4, and 4 2s are 8. So, answer here will be 8. The total answer therefore is 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10. So, hence we have proved. So, like that you can try the 1, 2 and 3 sums and ask me doubts. Please try it by yourself and see if you are getting the answers. If you do not, please call me and ask me doubts.